Babe, I should get a sunblock.
Why? You look so much better browner. Oh, yo. Welcome to Disney World 3.
Yung tram na yan, they will be connected from Hollywood Studios to Epcot Park. So those are like one of the two major parks. Kakapasok lang namin sa Disney World. Ang ganda. And yun. Go ahead and check it out. We are about to enter the Disney World Hollywood Studios.
If you're a fan of Star Wars, you're gonna come here to Disney World and you're just gonna blow up. You're gonna spontaneously catch fire. It's that awesome.
Guys, I'm not a fan of Star Wars, but here we are.
I'm gonna throw her over the cliff.
We're gonna be a fan of Star Wars once you start watching it.
Okay.
Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You back at my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get those profits. What? No, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go.
We are going
I will never set them in a
inside.
place dangerous that might damage the ship.
Will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am going to go with
Supervise
you.
younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Alright. All bags, fly your feet. Also go ahead and buckle up.
You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Here you go, stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Go back up the stick to fly. And push forward. Weapons are online. Left pilot, in the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Pilot, make the jump to light speed. Train. Go. Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They've knocked onto us! Take evasive action! Gunners, we need to defend ourselves! Open fire! Meditates after that plane! Left pilot, brakes! That could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Coaxia! You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxia! Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Get behind the train. Engineers, hit your flashing button. Let's shoot the train.
Yeah, flashing button. Yeah, that one.
Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Okay, it's okay now.
It's coming down. Hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. We retrieve one container of coaxia. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... that was rough.
If you took my hand, bite you real hard, feel like I'm about to burst hollow inside, staring at
Attention all units. Trash compactor is out of order till further notice.
Lucia, inaano ka ba? Takot naman ako. Ito daw yung store to have a chance to get a...
To get a lightsaber. To get a lightsaber. To get a lightsaber.
A blade that's small. So this piece unscrews, and we give you a second piece that's bigger.
I'm gonna do this one.
Well, I'm gonna have to, because that's the only place I can put a blade. All right?
Can I get a medium-sized one?
Well, why don't we go ahead and we'll just take it one step at a time. Let's see what this one looks like.
Excited
We're
lang,
gonna
Lish.
turn it on by the side right now, okay? There you go.
It's so cool.
It is cool indeed.
I love it.
I do too.
I never had a real lightsaber. I love it. It looks real too.
I love that you love it.
And we can't wait to show you guys all the adventures that are sure to come soon. Hoo-hoo. Stay tuned, folks.